Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to do quiz number 4. I got tied up yesterday and got busy, and before I know it, it was already 9:30 last night, guys, and I forgot about doing the quiz on Tuesday, so forgive me. I got tied up doing some other things, so let's jump into this quiz real quick, okay? Remember, these are going to be easy ones, so what is the advantage of using a hot runner system in injection molding? A, reduce cycle time and material waste. B, increase part cooling time. C, lower initial equipment cost. Or D, reduce mold maintenance. Okay? If you know the answer to this quiz, please comment down below and let me know you like that, and if you know the answer or not. Going forward, these will be getting harder as we go along. I'm getting ready to move. I'm going through some paperwork that I lost. Once I get that paperwork, the quizzes will get harder, I promise you. I do appreciate all the likes, shares, comments, and everything. So comment down here in the corner. I do appreciate it very much. Until Friday, I will have the answer. Peace, guys.